Hey, it's Mike with Green Glides. I'm down in Anaheim, California with Craig Tyler, what's your title here, Craig, with Westpak?
GM now.
GM?
Yeah, that's all.
All right, why don't you give us a quick history of the Westpak company?
So Westpak started around 2001. My dad started it as an engineering sourcing solutions type of company. And a couple years later, we got a little burn from one of our customers, and we started just competing against them. And we started making valves and carpet cleaning tools, and really kind of focused on what the industry was saying. And we tried to do our best to get everything nice and right for the customer. Our first product was the soft touch angle valve, so that everyone loves. And
that was the first product?
That was our first.
The soft touch valve?
Soft touch valve.
Huh.
Yep.
2001, I would have thought earlier.
Yeah, so December 2001, I started working to 2002 in spring break during my
14
college
years old or something? Or what?
I'm not that young. Yeah, I was in college, and my dad needed some drafting work done, and I was doing some AutoCAD work and drafting work, and so I decided to go and draw a bunch of products. The slide valve that you guys use on the bypass valve, that was actually one of my designs.
No kidding.
Yep.
Huh.
And we started in Garden Grove. We were there for probably about 10 years or so, 13 years, and then we moved up to Anaheim in 2014.
And nowadays you probably have more unique products than you could count, right?
Yeah, the SKUs have definitely grown.
And your main customer, are they supply shops or independent manufacturers that include one of your wands or gadgets with their...
This is about a 50-50 split, so we've got about 50% of our business is original equipment manufacturers, the Sandia, the Nilfisk, all those big companies, and then 50% all the mom and pop shops that order in and bring in a bunch of small little items month to month.
And then 50% Green Glides.
And 50% Green Glides. Well, it's 40% of the 50% that's Green Glides, right?
There you go. Yeah. Well, I'm loving working with you guys. We've tweaked a lot of fun tools, made them better for the owner-operator, and we'll get to the back of the shop and show the Jubilee. That's why I'm here, to assemble the first one or two and fine-tune it. But the 530 Chosen wand and the multi-surface wand and some other stuff, what do you say? You can't keep it on the shelf, right?
It's providing heavenly results.
Yeah. So you got a new office space. You recently had a fire here, right? And it kind of melted the whole location.
3 years ago.
There's your hot secretary, hard at work.
Yep.
And then Craig's office and gymnasium.
Yes.
And then the good stuff.
Got to keep it in shape.
Look at all these, what's in all these boxes?
Lots and lots of different products. So all the small boxes typically hold little detail tools or other components like the brush heads and stuff like that for the hard surface tools. All the big boxes that you see up here in the top and everything, they're going to hold all the big wands. And then you have some boxes over there in the back. It says motor. Those are all 3-stage motors. We've got stair tools up here. We've got spinners.
The motor, you supply like everything you need to build a portable, right?
Pretty much, except for the shell and some of the other like specific stuff for them.
I thought you sold shells too.
We used to.
You used to.
So we started, and then we didn't want to burn bridges with our customers, and so we canceled the whole product.
There you go.
So.
And then brass and stainless up the yazoo.
Yep.
There's more brass over there. So.
These are all the components that go onto each of your wands, your tools. It goes with. Fittings for the portables.
Wow, I ain't been back here yet. Good grief.
Yep.
Yeah.
So we've recently got in 3 different containers, and so everything is really full right now.
Still got to get on the shelves.
But we needed them because we were out of a lot of product, and so we're shipping out like crazy right now.
So in the world, we'll say there's you, and then PMF, and then. Nobody else really comes close. You got the designer guys doing small amounts of swivel wands. Who am I missing?
Yeah, there's just small little guys who are doing little niche things right now. And
Butler's selling a few wands, but everybody else is selling something either made from you or PMF.
That's right, yep.
Worldwide. There's no other wand manufacturer. I mean, CMP, which you guys...
Yeah, they just shut their doors, so...
So you're taking over production of their AW.
A lot of their customers are coming back to us, and
Yeah.
we're helping them out.
And then there's an AW manufacturer in Texas or two, right?
Yeah.
Ashburn, but small potatoes.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're fortunate to have a surviving, thriving company providing us with our wands and doing cool stuff like they're doing with me.
Yeah, we're happy to help, and
Yeah,
try to do our best to keep you guys all happy.
certainly keep me happy. You're so easy to work with and open to ideas, and I know some of the stuff I request you may or may not totally understand why I'm doing it or why I name certain things, but you never fight me on anything. I mean, we always find a solution to something, and I think I'm one of the few in the industry that still cleans and designs stuff. Most of the components from the truck mount on down is designed by somebody who's never done it, and that affects us, the end user. So
Well, when a cleaner like you comes around, Mikey, and we have other people that want to do stuff, we listen to them because it's important, and we know that you guys are seeing the changes that need to be made. So
yeah, because things are changing, and the surfaces we clean, and who's doing the cleaning, and what people will pay for it, and how long things last.
yep.
So all these this pile got smaller this morning. There was way more. Those are going to one manufacturer, essentially.
So a lot of these were tested last night, and we're putting them in boxes, and we're getting picked up today from one of our local manufacturers.
Oh.
And yeah, there was probably about 60 wands out here yesterday, and it's down to about 30 or 40 now.
You got assembly. I think they're on break right now. The guys putting together all the individual components, and
a lot of these hoses are for our two-piece wands. We have a manufacturer that just placed
sell
a
a lot of
huge
those,
order
huh,
for
that
those.
two-piece one.
Yeah, they're really convenient for shipping, but I mean they're not really practical. So
Yeah, I think those are some right there.
those are some right there. Yeah.
You want to go over and look at the beginning of the Jubilee project?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
So yeah, we spent most of yesterday fine-tuning where hoses start and end, and where trigger assemblies end up and whatnot. But they're going to get busy. We're waiting for some of this. And is this the line we're using?
This is the line that we're considering using right now. It's a
No, it's not that one. It's this one.
Oh yes,
cool looking
Yeah, the carbon fiber looking
Carbon
one.
fiber. That's actually steel braid under like a brownish tint. And that's what's going to come internal and hook up to your quick connect. Obviously, these don't have the glides or the jet yet, but this is how they come from their manufacturer. And then
the glide and the jet.
there we got one with the slot glide, and then the whole glide. And as we said in many other videos, the tool works really well without a glide in certain situations. You got a vacuum relief valve. We got a bypass or a circulating system for the truck mounts that need, or the situation that need a little more heat. And that'll come in this fabric cover. And then also what we're doing unique is we're offering 3 lengths of hoses in every color you want, as long as it's green, right?
That's right.
So it's such a versatile tool, and so much of that has to do with Westpak's willingness to create all these options. But we took many tools until we settled on a somewhat of a version of this, and then tweaked the angles, added the window, had to change the vacuum orifice, put the evacuation holes in there, which maybe that's the real magic of this tool, is that the water doesn't go all over, because every external jetted tool before this, once the vacuum port got plugged up with the fabric, then the water had nowhere to go but all over the rest of the sofa, the floor, your lap, or otherwise. But now it's kind of like the little backup drain on a bathroom sink.
Yeah.
It doesn't go down the drain, it goes out the other port. So it's amazingly tidy, and allows us to mist and vac again, which is kind of a lost art in upholstery cleaning over the past 10 years.
Yep.
So, amazing amount of stuff being moved through here. And don't forget, Westpak does real good quality vacuum and pressure hose, which I've been selling on green glides a decent amount. And all kinds of handles and trigger assemblies and stuff that works even on their competitors' wands.
Yep.
More hose. So yeah, I'm taking home quite a few wands with me for the guys that need tools yesterday. The big project comes in, so I can oftentimes, although you guys a lot of times you do ship the same day, and I appreciate that, but you can't always. So I keep a few chosen wands and a few hard surface 12 inches around boxes, and then bringing home all kinds of brass and tidbits too. So
yeah, we used to be small enough that we could ship everything, pretty much any order that came in. We had a goal to ship it out 24 to 48 hours, and the last 6 years we couldn't keep that promise anymore.
I guess that's a good problem to have, but you guys are still, you do really well on that.
Yeah.
No one can follow Amazon, get stuff there that afternoon, but I think
right.
for the size of your company and certainly the rates you charge, it's a bargain.
Yeah.
Yeah, Craig, the industry sure appreciates you. I sure appreciate you, and hope you're around for a long, long time, because without Westpak around, this industry would be hurting in many, many ways. Thank you. Left-handed shake,
Well, we
and
appreciate
we'll
you
talk
guys.
to you soon. I'm off to Santa Cruz.
All right. Thanks, Mike.